This is our first webinar. Okay, so and hopefully matapos ninyo yung dalawa pang naka-prepare natin na webinar. Okay? So proceed tayo, okay? So guys, syempre for the benefit of the new employees and yung mga hindi pa nagkakaroon ng ganung idea on what is construction project management. So, we're going to discuss first yung introduction. Ano ba yung construction project management? Okay? So, well, yun. Kaya ano ba ang construction project management? Yun yung trabaho natin, guys. So, might as well, we have to know kung ano ba yung trabaho natin. Alright? So, wait lang. Yan. Okay. So, ang outline ng presentation natin, guys, is first we're going to define the project. What is a project? What is a construction project? What is project management? And what is construction project management? Okay? Then, ano ba yung mga stages of a project? Okay? Or what we call the process groups. Alright? Number 3 is we have to we are to discuss also the knowledge areas for construction project management. So madami yan. Number 4, what are the roles and responsibilities of a construction project manager? Okay. And then lastly, what does it take to become a construction project manager? Okay. So our meeting will be about siguro mga 40 to 50 minutes, no? The web seminar. Okay? So next. So first muna. So ano ba yung project? Okay? What is a project? A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Okay? So ang mga keywords dito, guys, is temporary, unique. Okay? So, yun. So, that is defined by the Project Management Institute, PMI, PMBOK 6th edition. So, PMBOK is a Project Management Book of Knowledge. So, the PMI naman is the international standard, the international organization for project managers. So a project is temporary in that it has a defined beginning and end in time, and therefore defined scopes and resources. Okay? So, yun yung definition ng project. So, dapat tayong mga project manager, pag tinanong tayo, guys, ano ba yung project? O kaya engineer, ano ba yung project? So, dapat ito yung sagot natin. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Sa case natin, guys, sa construction, ang dinideliver natin is what? Is a product. Okay? Product meaning it's something tangible. Alright? So, sa case natin, these are the buildings that we are creating, schools, the residential houses, yung mga restaurant. Okay? So, yun yung unique product natin. Alright? So, ano ba yung mga sample ng project? Project can be any of the following. Okay? Commercial building, software, yung wedding event. Sino ba yung latest na kinasal? Si Engineer, sino bang kinasal lately lang? Si Mac, si Chris, baka malapit na ikasal. Chris Regoso. Pare, pagplanuhin mo na yung wedding mo. Relief goods project, okay? Madami tayong mga engineers ngayon na nagsiset up ng mga relief goods. So, salute sa inyo, guys. Napaka-noble ng ginagawa ninyo. Thesis project, and even improving a process in a business. Alright? So, wait lang. May mga sumasali. Wait lang, guys. May mga sumasali. Okay, admit. Okay. Admit muna natin. Okay. Alright. So, ano ba naman yung construction project? So, what is a construction project? A construction project, therefore, is a project that involves in delivering a facility based on its intended need. Okay? So guys, it should be based on the intended need. Alright? Hindi pwedeng gagawa tayo ng school tapos walang provision for blackboard. Okay? O kaya hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng residential na bahay na walang living room o dining room. Okay? So it should serve based on its intended need. Okay? So before we go deeper dun sa projects, I would want to differentiate lang sa inyo ano ba yung portfolio, program, and projects. So yung projects, that is the lowest level, no? Projects are the lowest level, and the projects are composing of the programs, and the programs naman are composing of the portfolio. Okay, so pataas yan. So it can be shown in this diagram, okay, in this illustration, no? The project is part of a program, and a program is part of the portfolio. Okay? So sa case natin, yung mga projects that our owners have initiated, these are part of their programs. Okay? So akala lang natin na hindi, project lang yan. No, may part of program yan. Let's say they would want to expand or they would want to target, let's say, a specific profit by the next 20 years. So let's say they have to build a warehouse, they have to build a factory. So the construction project is just part of the program. Right? So ganun yun, guys. So may project, may program, and then may portfolio. Okay. Then next natin, guys. You also have to differentiate what's the difference between project and operations. Okay, guys, do not be mistaken. Okay, some people kasi they feel that they are working on a project, pero instead they are working on operations and vice versa. Okay, sa case natin, guys, well, definitely project ang tinatrabaho natin, but I would just like to illustrate what are the differences between project and operations. Okay, so the project, as mentioned earlier, is unique and temporary. Right? While the operations, this is ongoing and permanent. All right? Ang project, ang project is executed to produce something new. Kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina, it's a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Okay? So this is executed to produce something new. Operations is repetitive. Okay? Paulit-ulit lang. Alright? Ang project is more risky because the project varies, no? No projects are the same, guys. Please don't get me wrong. No projects are the same. Kahit ba sabihin natin na, sir, inulit lang naman natin yung bodega na to. Nilipat lang natin ng ibang location. But still, iba yung mga sitwasyon doon. Iba yung lupa, iba yung kausap mo na kapitbahay. So, no project is the same. Alright? So, this is kaya nga nagiging more risky siya as the project varies. Operations naman, less risky because it is repeated. So, magandang example nun, guys, is, di ba, we had a project. We had the project yung Ford Marikina. So, that project is a showroom. No? It's a showroom. So, once na natapos natin yung project na yon, so it is a unique product, no? Pero, once na i-turn over na natin yun doon sa owner, which is si Ford Marikina, yung gagawin na niya mga proseso doon, yung pagbenta, pag-maintenance, pag-service, operations na yun. Guys, okay? So, yung difference ng project and operations. So, sa case natin, sa ELS, guys, yung ginagawa natin pagpapatakbo ng mga multiple projects natin, these are part of our, what? Operations. Because this is repetitive, eh. Di ba? Repetitive lang. So, we're adapting the same system all over and over again. Kaya nga, like for me, ang tawag sa akin, I'm the operations manager because I have to make sure that everything is running smoothly, no? So kaya nga we are imposing standards, measures, okay, trainings, all right? So that's the difference between project and operations, okay? So, guys, do not confuse project versus operations. All right? Okay. Now, before we go deeper, guys, dun sa discussion ng project, I would just like to illustrate to you a sample of a construction project organizational chart. So, it is us, ELS, who made this organizational chart. All right? So as you can see, I don't know lang guys yung sa mga naka-cellphone if malinaw ito, no? But I can send you the link, okay? So, the top level guys is the owner, of course, the owner. So ang role ng owner is financing and produce the high-level requirements. And the next would be the construction project manager. Tayo. So ano bang ginagawa ng construction project manager? So tayo nagpa-facilitate ng bidding, coordination, documentation, inspection, supervision, evaluation. All right. Then on our level also, we have the other parties which are the architect, which is in charge of the design, feasibility, and specifications. So under him are the consultants and engineers. All right. Then we also have interior designer for those projects with residential or office spaces, no, or mga restaurant. Okay? So, may mga kailangan ng interior designer. And the next would be the general contractor. Okay? So, ang general contractor, isa lang ang role niyan. Okay? Builder. Okay? Siya yung builder. Hindi siya pwedeng designer, hindi siya pwedeng project manager, builder siya. Okay? Yun lang ang trabaho niyan, builder. Under him, of course, kasama sa kanya yung mga quality control, safety security, civil, MEPF, yung mga interior works, painting works, and other necessary trades. Alright? So, then, under naman sa owner also, there are owner specialty contractors like mga elevators, STP, cabinets, landscape. And then we have also the owner suppliers or ito yung mga owner furnished contractor installed, OFCI. Alright? Yung kanina binanggit ko guys, yung mga elevators, those are OSM. Okay? Ito namang mga tiles, air conditionings, these are OSCI. Aris raised hand. Wait lang. Bakit kaya nag-raise hand si Aris? Guys, yung ano nga pala, yung meeting natin, hindi pa siya, hindi kasi upgraded version to eh. Hindi upgraded version to. So, may 5 minutes tayo, mauulit, tawag dito, mawawala yung presentation natin and we will just, I will just send you another link na lang. Okay? Alright. So, Aris, wait lang. Aris, you're asking something? Aris?
Yes po, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
FYI lang po, pwede pong i-zoom yung pag sa CPU, sir. Para makita po nila yung presentation.
Okay. Sige. Pwede ba?
Opo, sir. Pwede rin po i-landscape. Pag ni-landscape nyo po yung phone nyo, tapos pwede nyo siyang i-zoom.
Okay. Pag sa phone pala, okay. Akala ko sa
Yes po. Yes, sir. FYI lang po doon sa phone user.
Okay. Guys, salamat sa paalala. Kagawad Aris Aklan. Okay. Thank you, Aris. Alright.
Wala po ang parilip, sir.
Thank you. Alright. So, ayun, guys. Where are we? So, yun yung difference ng OSM tsaka OFCI, no? OSM, so supply and install sila. Okay? They are contracted by the owner to both supply and install. So this will apply to elevators, STP, yung mga cabinets. Okay? Now, for OFCI naman, or the owner furnished contractor installed, these are the items bought by the owner to be installed by contractors. All right? So what are those? Those are tiles, yung mga lighting fixtures, all right? Okay. So, if you can see guys, nandito yung pinakita ko rin dito sa chart kung ano yung contractual and coordination relationship nila. So, as you can see guys, based on the contractual relationship, all of this, most of these guys are directly in contract with the owner. Okay? So, the PM, the architect, the designer, if you can see lahat sila, naka-line up lahat sila sa owner. Alright? But look at this, no? Consultants, of course, direct sa architect. And then, yung mga subcons, okay? So, these are what we call the subcontractors, no? So, these subcontractors are part of the general contractor. Okay? Guys, medyo mawawala yung signal, yung mata-terminate yung meeting natin. I will just send you a new link. Alright? Mag-end meeting muna tayo, guys. I'll just send you a new link. Paki-ano na lang. Paki-click na lang. Bakit nawala? Wait. Mukhang in-extend tayo ni ano. Mukhang in-extend tayo ni Zoom. Yata. Extend tayo ni Zoom. Alright. So, guys, punta naman tayo guys. Ano yung mga construction projects natin? Ano yung mga sample ng construction project ng ELS? So, yung mga iba sa inyo are familiar with this or na-assign kayo dito. So, these are the buildings, elements, and skyloft. Okay, so dormitory buildings to guys. Elements pala is a condo building. Okay. And then, ito yung project natin sa Boracay.